Hi there, my name's May and I make free bullet journal templates every month. I got my June bullet journal for 2021 and made it into a pocket planner. This is my A5 size bullet journal with a beautiful lemon theme. It has several pages that you can download for free and use any month of the year. I also made printable stickers to decorate each weekly spread, and you can use them with any other planner that you have. Now, let's make the lemon themed pocket planner. I printed the PDF file as a booklet on 5 sheets of A5 size paper. Then, I stapled the pages together to make an A6 pocket planner. This is the most difficult step for me, so I always staple it once, but you can do it twice if you like. The next step is folding the pages and trimming the edges with the paper cutter. You can also skip this step and the booklet will still look pretty. Here are the pages of my lemon-themed pocket planner. A beautiful cover page, and behind it is a familiar quote about life and lemons. These pages are so pretty, and you may print them on A4 or A5 size paper and add to your journal or planner. The opposite page is for intentions and goals, and I made it to look like a lemonade stand. Here's the brightly colored calendar to help plan more happy days. 2 extra pages with tape as headers. And the timeline for recording highlights of each day. I added 10 dot grid pages, and you can use it for anything that you like. And finally, my favorite part is showing you the back cover that matches the front cover seamlessly. Would you like to print these pages? Check out the links in the description to learn more. Happy planning!